Can you turn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your projects. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machine. So you have just to open your browser and dive into vmware.com and virtual.org. Then we have here Hyper-V and we have QEMU.org. So choosing the right virtualization platform can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU on the table. Each offers unique features and capabilities catering to different needs, whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist. In this comparison, we will break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your visualization projects. Let's dive in. So we have the first one, which is VMware. So VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and robust security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware's tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing its infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. Then we have VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. Its key benefits include being cost effective as it's free to us and offering broad compatibility with various host systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface snapshot capabilities for easy state restoration and seamless integration with the host system, which enhance productivity. With support for a wide range of guest operating systems and an active community for resources, VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. Then we have Hyper. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime, and robust security options like shielded virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise enterprise environment and development scenarios, while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. Then we have the last one, which is QEMU. QEMU is an open source machine emulator and virtualization that enables users to run multiple operating systems on various hardware architectures. Its key benefits include flexibility as it supports a wide range of case OS types and architectures from ARM. QEMU can operate in two modes: as a full system emulator for running in modified guest operating systems and as a lightweight virtualization virtualizer when paired with KVM, which means kernel-based virtual machine. For improved performance, it's configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking an adaptable virtualization solution. So, between these four sites or four machine virtual machine, the best one is VMware is often regarded as the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its robust features including high availability, disaster recovery, and seamless cloud integration. Its vSphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance in their heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So, about the first one, VMware.com and VirtualBox, we have also Hyper-V and QEMU. So, it's all this for it's useful and helpful, and you can just get started with VMware because we have here also the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solutions delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technology for application edge and infrastructure and private EA. Then we have Shard, your VMware export January, and we have also introducing VMware Cloud Foundation. Bootcamp involves the future of VMware Cloud Foundation, the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation also, and we have your cloud solutions for your business, a platform, cloud infrastructure, network, security, software defined edge. Then we have trending topics, and you have just to take the next step and you get started with VMware.com. Selecting the right virtualization platform hinges on your needs. VMware is ideal for enterprises due to its robust features and scalability, while VirtualBox offers accessibility for individual users. Hyper-V provides seamless integration with Windows, and QEMU excels in versatility across hardware architectures. Assessing this strength will help you choose the best fit for your virtualization requirements, optimizing your EV infrastructure and fostering innovation. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.